Hey, MTS crew, what's going on? Hope it's all good in the neighborhood. Y'all, I'm making some more marinated vegetables. You seen me make this before. I'm using my cherry tomatoes. They are actually really sweet, cute baby cucumbers, purple onions, broccoli, and I'm using canned kidney beans and canned corn, and I'll tell you more about those in just a minute. I'm using vinegar, red wine vinegar, lemon infused garlic, and oil and vinegar. I love oil and vinegar. I love that taste in my salad, and I'm also using lemon slices. Now, let me tell you about using canned vegetables. You have to wash your canned vegetables off. If you can, roast your corn on the grill and just take it off the cob and go ahead and use it. But I didn't do it this time, so I made sure I rinsed all of the salt out of there that I could, and my kidney beans. I love kidney beans in my salad. It add that extra taste of like meat in there to me now. So this is the salad. And what I'm going to do with it, I'm just going to mix it up, and then I'll go ahead and add my seasoning. Now, I have a lemon, and I cut it in half. So I'm using two lemon halves, and I'm just gonna take those lemon halves and just get that juice out of there. I don't want a whole lot of lemon because I don't want the lemon overpowering the salad. So we're gonna go ahead and sit that aside, and we're gonna put the seasoning in there. Now I'm gonna put the seasonings down below what I use. I use a pinch of salt, dill weed. I'm pouring the dill weed in now. Mrs. Dash, y'all, I'm getting to where I just love Mrs. Dash. Mrs. Dash. You can also use a little lemon pepper. It's just to your taste, but I will list down below everything that I put inside of this salad, y'all. It was absolutely delicious. And so we're gonna go ahead and get this mixed up. And the red wine vinegar, oh, it is delicious in this salad. The red wine vinegar, and also the Italian dressing. The Italian dressing, y'all, has everything in there already. So we're going to use the Italian dressing. We're going to use a little white distilled vinegar. We're not going to use much because we don't want any of these flavors to overpower this salad. We want this salad to still remain fresh and tasty. And I love using the red vinegar. So we're going to use a little bit of everything, and I'm going to use the whole bottle. You use about a small bottle of Italian dressing. So I'm going to use the whole bottle of that Italian dressing. And we're going to get these ingredients mixed up, and once they marry together, y'all, they are going to be absolutely delicious. But to keep this salad fresh for about 2 weeks, your secret weapon is the oil, vinegar, and the lemon. Oil, vinegar, and lemon. I have kept this salad for 2 weeks, and it was fine. I put this salad in my mason jars, and it kept really well. So what I do with it, I take and cut up all of my vegetables and get them seasoned and marinate, and I keep them in the refrigerator. So when I get ready to make a salad, I just wash my lettuce, cut it up, and then I'll take the jars out the refrigerator, a jar of vegetable, and pour it over my salad. Now with that jar, and if you cut up lettuce, you will have enough for at least 2 to 3 people out of that one jar. Yes, 2 to 3 people. So don't look at it as, one jar, one person. No, you'll have enough for 2 or 3 people. And if you're just making a salad for yourself, just take you some out. Now, what I do, I put a lemon slice in the bottom of each one of my mason jars. And then I pour a little wet red wine vinegar in that. The vinegar, the oil, and the lemon is going to keep this salad fresh for at least 2 weeks, y'all. I have tried it, and the salad was spread. And another key, please use baby cucumbers. They last longer. I thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. God bless. And y'all like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bon appetit. Like, share, and subscribe to this channel, y'all. And I really would appreciate it. Bon appetit. Happy New Year, y'all. Happy New Year. And then what I did with my leftover vegetables, I just cut up a salad and I just put the leftover vegetables, my vegetables inside of my lettuce, and it was absolutely delicious, y'all. This salad is good. So please try it. Thank y'all. I appreciate you.